In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find BMO Harris branches and ATMs near you. Whether you're planning to visit a branch or need quick access to an ATM, knowing how to locate these is essential. Let's dive into the step-by-step process that will help you find the nearest BMO Harris branch or ATM with ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the BMO Harris website by visiting bmoharris.com. This is the starting point for your search, and navigating directly to their official site ensures that you will find the most accurate and up-to-date information. You'll notice the website is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, which makes the process straightforward. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of the site, where you will find a familiar symbol, the top menu icon, sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu due to its three-line design. Clicking this menu icon will reveal a list of options that will guide you further into what BMO Harris has to offer. After opening the menu, you'll need to select branches. Clicking here will directly take you to the branch and ATM locator page. It's a convenient tool designed to streamline your search by providing all necessary details in one place. On the locator page, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you will enter your preferred search criteria. Simply type in your city, state, or zip code, whichever you find most convenient. This flexibility allows you to tailor your search to your specific location, whether you're at home or on the go. Once you've entered your location, take a look at the results. You'll find that you have the option to view these results in two different ways: List View and Map View. Both views offer a distinct benefit. List View gives you a straightforward lineup of branches and ATMs, which can be helpful if you're looking for a quick reference. The Map View, on the other hand, provides a visual representation, ideal for those who prefer to see spatial relationships and physical proximity in a geographical context. This view makes it easier to gauge distances and decide which location might be best for your needs. That's all there's to it. You've now successfully navigated through the BMO Harris website to find branches and ATMs near you. Whether you decide on a branch visit or need an ATM for quick cash withdrawal, this method ensures you can access your banking needs efficiently and with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.